Dr. Brandon Kofford, again here to introduce a new product that we have. It's called the Omni-Directional Multi-Unit Abutment, and that is a mouthful. So we shorten it by calling it the Omnibut. Omni, abutment, Omnibut. All right, so what's really cool and unique about this abutment is that with one abutment, you can do any angle correction that you want to, from 0 degrees all the way up to 30 degrees. So it's not limited to just a 0 degree, 17, or 30, and having to carry inventory for a 0, 17, or 30. There's just one abutment. And so this is how it works. We're going to give you just a broad overview right now, and then we're going to do a little closer detail with the actual abutment. But just right now, the abutment looks kind of like a ball abutment with a swiveling attachment here. And so there are two drivers that are used to insert or to use the omnidirectional multi-unit abutment. The first driver is used to screw it down into the implant, and then you torque that down to 35 Newton centimeters. Then you use the second driver to reorient it wherever you want to, from 0 to 30 degrees. And then once you've reached your desired angulation, you torque that down to 25 Newton centimeters. And what's happening is you're torquing this, what we call an orientation screw. You're torquing that orientation screw to 10 Newton centimeters less than the ball abutment was torqued into the implant. And then once you've locked its orientation, you just proceed as if it was a normal multi-unit abutment. It's got the same geometry. The threads are unique, and that's simply to accommodate this driver to go all the way through the screw channel of that orientation screw. But other than that, it is a normal multi-unit abutment. So one thing that I personally love about this abutment is how sleek it is emerging off of that implant. It's a much friendlier design for soft tissue and hard tissue. You don't need to do near as much bone reduction to accommodate this, typically a bulky abutment, but this is a very slender and sleek abutment emerging off of that implant. So now that we've given you that broad overview, we're going to delve in and do it on this model here.